Alright, tubes, we're going to prep the head here. See, it looks a little rusted, but it's not. We cleaned it, we degreased it and stuff like that. Hold that up there, Racer, and show them what we got to do. This is the head with the crack in it. I'll try and zoom in on it because you see that crack there? Turn it a little bit and show them the other one. Here. Here's the other one. What we got to do is we got to drill out the corners and then V-groove it. And the little Racer's going to sandblast it first, so we'll show you him doing that. Alrighty. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but little Racer's blasting it. How's it looking, buddy?
Turned out pretty good.
Oh yeah, look at that. Alrighty, continue on. Well, Racer's heating up our head there so we can pull it back into place there. You see it's got a little lip on it. So we're going to try and heat that up and pull it down a little bit, and it'll be a little easier to weld. Alright tubes, we're into another problem here. Those two cracks we had, they were actually bigger than we thought. They continue on. It was so fragile that we decided just to see if we can pop it out. Take it off, Ray, show them what to do. So now we just have to V this out and V that out and go from there. But we could see once we broke that off, that inside, oh, you can't really see it, it's kind of dark. There we go. But you could actually see it was actually rusted inside there. Just a very, very tiny bit on top was holding it together. So that's probably the best thing we could have done. Alright, we're going to clean that up now. Alright tubes, what we did here is we grooved out around both edges there, a substantial groove. So we got plenty to weld. And then we put these braces on the front so it'll be flat. We won't have to get it machined. Shouldn't have to get it machined except for that one little section I weld. I could probably file that down. And over here, zoom in there, groove that out too. And in the back's got a pretty good sized groove. But it's all ready to weld now. Now we just got to heat it up. Let's stick it in the barbecue. Try to get it up to about 450 degrees. Alrighty. Alright tubes, we're prepping the head. We're getting it ready. Got our welder out here. Our industrial arc 260 amp DC, AC DC. Pretty substantial, eh? What are you doing over there, Racer?
I'm cooking your head.
Alright, little Racer's cooking the head up. Take that off, show the tools what we got to do. This is a cast, and a cast you got to keep it hot, or else when you weld it, it's going to crack. So we've had it on a barbecue here for about an hour or so. It's about 500 degrees.
How's it look?
It looks pretty good.
It's almost done.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still cooking up though. You see? Got our flame going and everything. Go, take that off so we can get a better look at it. Flip her up. Flip up. Flip up the Barbie.
Trip on the Barbie.
Yeah, we got it all clamped up and it's all ready for welding. So I got this information. This is my buddy Tom over there. Tom's a welder. Been a welder for 30, almost 40 years, I guess. He goes by Tom's Welding 289. So if you can, go check him out and sub him. The guy, he really knows what he's doing. He was going to send me a special welding rod. Oh, we got a phone call. We'll get back to you, tube. Alright, tubes, we're back. That phone call was the little dirt bike 5100. I think he got a partnership. I'm not sure. But anyway, like I was saying, my buddy there, Tom, over there, Tom's Welding 289, gave me this idea. He said to put it on a barbecue and cook it up, and then the sand, put it in sand, and that'll keep it from cooling down too fast. But he was going to send me some special rod. I didn't even ask him. He offered it to me. He's going to send me some special rod to weld it. And then he got called into work and had to go over to England for 6 months. So he wasn't able to do that. But I talked to my buddy 500 Passwords, and because he's a welder too, and seeing if he can help me out, and he sure enough sure did. Let me show you what he did for me here. Hold on. He sent me 12 rods, 12 special rods. Thank you, Rachel. And these are specially designed for, let me get the name here. Here we go. Centarium. Yeah, Centanium or something. 784. Special rod for welding cast. And he got that from his father. His father's been welding for 50 years or so. So good that the union sends him around the world in competitions. Certanium. Thank you. Thank you, Race. That's why I keep Racer around here. He knows how to read and write. But anyway, 500 asked his dad if he had anything, and sure enough, he had them rods there. And that was just last night. Sent them to me overnight. His mother went to the post office and mailed them for me and everything. I appreciate that. So 500. Thank Mom for me and thank Dad for getting me the rods, and thanks for everything. So you guys, most of you probably already subscribed to 500 Passwords, but if you're not, he's got a real great channel over there. So we're going to start welding on this, and we'll see what it looks like. Alrighty.
That's what I'm talking about there, buddy. You got the flow now.
Oh, there you go.
Let me check it out.
Wow. I did it out through the mask.
Holy Christ.
I can't even tell it was welded.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm surprised you could see it that
Hit it
good.
with the slag brush, man.
Where's that?
It's over there on the ground.
Let me get out of the way.
That's what I'm talking about there, too. You clean that up and you'll never even know.
Yeah, I think I'm going to give it another pass anyway, but like you say, that was pretty good.
Huh. Alright, stay tuned.
Pretty good. My hand was starting to burn. Alright, tubes, this is the finished product here. It's not really finished. I mean, I'm going to grind that down. But that top ain't moving. I ain't going. Can you turn that off, Racer? I forgot that was on there. Our little machine over there. Our industrial arc 260 AC/DC. Performed very well for us.
Rock on.
So we'll grind that up and show you when it's done. Right now we turned everything off. We're going to leave it in the sand and let it cool down real slow, and hopefully it won't crack. I don't think we'll have any problems, but that ain't going anywhere. I got more weld on there than I was building a battleship or something. So they give me plenty to grind and play with. So alrighty. Oh yeah, I want to show you something here. 500. Check this out. You got one of these? That was to take the dampness out of our rod. It was pretty damp here today. We got them cooking in there. Look, we got a couple of them. Thanks again, 500. You got anything to say to your buddy, Racer?
Nah, but thanks.
All right. Talk to you later.